O instinto selvagem que invade a sensação de perigo nos define. Sinto um frio na barriga, tudo isso me lembra a cena de um filme. O instinto selvagem que invade a sensação de perigo nos define. Celeste divino merece um rio no seu corpo.
Meet Jonathan, owner of a regular roller bag. Now meet Scott, owner of the all-new SkyTrek Smart Luggage. Chapter 1. Packing. John's luggage uses a number lock with the code 129. Or was it 128? But with SkyTrek's fingerprint ID, Scott can get in and out of his bag with ease. Its built-in shelves and mini bags keep your things organized, while its zip-up compartments keep them from moving around. Plus, its spacious main compartment keeps your clothes securely fastened. It even comes with a garment hanger. All in a vertical design that lets you access it without laying it down. Chapter 2. Check-in. Keeping track of your bag can be tough when you're in a hurry. That's why SkyTrek will alert you if you stray too far from it. Once you're inside, SkyTrek helps you get to your gate faster. Its front pockets give you quick access to essentials, while its removable battery pack and front pocket get you through the security line quickly. Chapter 3. Your gate. Scott made it to his gate 40 minutes early. Good thing SkyTrek helps him make the most of it. Its flat design serves as a portable work desk that comes with a convenient phone charger. Flying isn't a hassle when you come prepared.
Hey, Bromeister, yo, can I borrow your charger, man? My phone's dead.
Sure, man.
And when it's time for takeoff, airplane mode turns on automatically. And when it's time to land, SkyTrek automatically turns it back off. Chapter 4. Baggage claim. A lost bag is a traveler's worst nightmare, but with SkyTrek's built-in GPS tracking, you always know where your bag is. This was a tale of two travelers, but only one has a happy ending. Smarter, safer, SkyTrek. Back us today and be one of the first to receive your very own. So, what happened to John? He missed his flight. And we have the exclusive interview only on SkyTrek TV.
We hear that you missed your flight today because you are still sporting what some may call yesterday's bag.
Broski, can I get some help with this? Come on, like SkyTrek can't be that great, right? Well, I mean, they call it like smart luggage. Like, how smart can it be?
Smarter than you, perhaps. Thanks to its GPS, fingerprint lock, front pocket, and vertical opening.
Yo, you think I could like get me one of those, bro?
No, this is mine.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. 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 There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up.
As an engineer, I have to travel around. I pretty much always fully load my luggage, but I never like to carrying weights. Well, particularly going a slope like this.
In this modern world, we have technology to help. So why do we still waste energy dragging weights around? I've tried those motorized luggage like the Ride-On and initially even built my own robotic luggage, but like many others, I can tell you they're more like toys and impractical for carrying weights in real life. It seems no one have a proper solution. Until now. After endless hours of research, design and development, we finally made a breakthrough and developed the perfect electric weightless system that runs on a pair of large off-road anti-puncture tires. The weightless effect only happens when the center of gravity to the rotation axle is close to zero. This naturally shifts all the weight onto the motor wheels rather than your arm. The problem with dragging a normal luggage is the weight leaning to your arm and makes it hard to control. So this is why the SuperCase has an interesting U-shaped side-forward design which allows it to move without dragging. No more dragging with the SuperCase means it can be easily operated by any age, and whether you walk or run or up a slope, the feeling will always be completely weightless. It also lets you have close control of the luggage to safely cut through the cloud with unbelievable maneuverability on any terrain. Additionally, SuperCase has all the smart luggage features like Bluetooth auto locks, GPS locator, digital scale, USB charging ports, and most importantly, we use IATA and FAA approval batteries, and the power pack can be removed to use as a power bank to charge your mobile device. SuperCase is super tough. The body is made of 100% polycarbonate, and fitted with a strong aluminium frame, so it is very durable. In fact, everything we used is top quality to match the highest standards of the luggage industry. What you see in this video is a production-ready version. Me, my family and friends are already using it right now. And with the completed design, ready-made toolings, we are ready for mass production.
Now it's time for the luggage industry to evolve, and the SuperCase is leading this change. Don't be left behind with the old perceptions of traveling. Come and back us on Indiegogo to be part of this weightless revolution. SuperCase is ready. Are you? See you soon.